Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I am going to be showing you how to make this nourishing ghee and kalonji hair mask. This hair mask is really helpful for restoring the hair health, and it gives a boost of hydration and improves the texture and also nourishes your scalp and hair follicles. And this nourishing hair mask is part of my capillary schedule. So if you guys want to know more, keep on watching. Now the first ingredient to make this hair mask is kalonji, also called as black seed. So kalonji, as you guys might already be knowing, is used to make pickles, and it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant nutrients which helps to strengthen our hair, helps treat hair loss, and may also prevent premature graying. It also works as a very good hair conditioner. Now I will quickly go ahead and heat it for about a minute on medium high. Blend it in a blender to make a fine paste. So if you want, you can go ahead and strain this kalonji with the help of a sieve, just like I'm doing right now. And this is how my kalonji looks. Now to it I will go ahead and add about a tablespoon of ghee. So here I'm using Amul ghee. Ghee has healthy and rich fatty acids, and it helps to nourish the scalp and hair follicles from within to give a boost of hydration, and it restores the hair's health. It also helps in smoothing and provides shine to our hair. Now to it I will add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So here I am using organic coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in the coconut oil helps to nourish the scalp and remove the buildup from our hair follicles. Now I will go ahead and mix everything very nicely. So yeah, that's my nourishing ghee and kalonji hair mask. I'm not showing you how I'm applying this on my hair and the effects of it on my hair after I wash it, because I'll be posting that stuff in my week 1 capillary schedule. So I will link that video in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Until next time, bye bye and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.